to go now, race number 6. Class division number 1, 1,200 meters. And they're off. Mr. Xavier, field runner, moving up by the rail to grab the lead. Chanel Cotto in between runners. Good Boss, Tito Aru, Danori inside. Next in line, Desperado, Final Impact. Then comes a stunning success, Douglas Paramore. While Boy Pick Up is in behind them, heading towards the half-mile pole. Two runners are parting it out for the lead. Mr. Xavier, field runner, is by the rail. Tito Aru racing in third. Then moving up is Chanel Cotto, running by the rail. Good Boss as they race towards the 450, with Mr. Xavier still the leader by about a length and a half. Field runner running by the rail. Chanel Cotto is sorry outside. Good Boss in between runners. Tito Aru is by the rail. And down the stretch they come. Mr. Xavier still leading the field, running by the rail. Field runner Good Boss is sorry outside. Then moving up is Chanel Cotto. With 100 to go, Mr. Xavier still the leader by about a length and a half over Good Boss. And finally, Mr. Xavier, Good Boss, Chanel Cotto, stunning success, Douglas Paramore.